Want to know how to make vegetable pan-fried rice? Check out this recipe and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. Check out. I have some rice that I want to warm. I like doing a lot of leftovers and how to enhance the leftovers. So this is some rice, and I think we need to make it into vegetable rice. So we have ingredients of rice. We have some carrots. We have some hoho or green pepper. Then we have onions, and we have spring onions. We also have courgettes, which we will add. We also have some ground ginger and garlic. So let's go. So we put the onions in the pot, and we'll not use oil, but we'll use some margarine just to give it a taste. It's better to add margarine because now the rice becomes very sweet. Just a little, because when cooking rice we had used some oil. So there we are. We don't want to cook the onions very much, so we add the spring onions just a bit. We don't cook them a lot because we want to give us a taste and lovely smell. So just 2 minutes for it to just saute. Those are spring onions and the round bulb onions. Add the green pepper or hoho, apricot. So there we are. So the smell is amazing. So add the courgettes that we have chopped. Just one courgette is enough. It's so yummy. And as I say, the margarine gives it a very nice edge of a taste. Add the carrots. Add some salt to taste, just a little salt. And don't let the vegetables overcook, because if they overcook then it kills the essence. It's taking shape. Add some curry powder, just a bit. Don't put a lot for you to lose the taste. Just to season. Then also add some, that is curry powder. This makes spices. So I think it's time to put in the rice. So coming up well, I like adding milk, just some milk instead of water to give it a better taste. So just a bit, not so much. So if you're not a fan of milk, you can just do water. Add in the ginger. I'm just doing the ginger last minute because I want that taste to come out stronger. So We are folding in the ginger and garlic. People, I'm dying. The smell is whoa. Oh God. I wasn't that hungry, but thanks to this. Amazing. Lastly, time to add in the rice. So the rice is already cooked, so it's just to stir in, and our meal will be ready. Oh my, amazing. People, our meal is ready. Here we are. We have the stir fry rice, vegetable rice. Let's put it on a plate.